Planting trees and fruits and vegetables is still pretty new to us. I love the life and vibrancy that it brings to our home. But one morning, our tomato plant didn't look so good. Slouched over, I noticed it wasn't doing well. So my husband placed a stick and a little tie to gently secure it. So the following morning, when I went to greet our plants, I noticed my husband tied this one as well. "No, I didn't," he said. "I didn't tie that one." The plant overnight was able to secure itself. It was so cool to realize that this little guy did what he had to do to thrive. And it occurred to me that maybe we all know what we have to do to thrive. Be it in nature, sunlight, nutrients in our body. We all know what we have to do. And if we take the time to take care of ourselves and notice our needs, we can all stand tall and proud and grow. Good luck out there.